Mayor Tashara Jones is looking to strengthen health services inside the City Justice Center. This comes after 44-year-old Juwan Carter died after a medical emergency inside his cell over the weekend.
It is the third inmate to die in a month and a half. First Alert 4's Justin Andrews is hearing from the Detention Facilities Oversight Board.
Stop playing the game of the city.
Detention Facilities Oversight Board member Mike Milton fed up with issues inside the City Justice Center and wants the board to be able to do more for detainees and workers.
To stand up and actually stand behind the actual interpretation of the ordinance that says that we can have access to this jail anytime we wanted to, as long as we gave 24-hour notice.
Monday's meeting was already planned before Juwan Carter, a City Justice Center detainee, died Saturday in the hospital after suffering a medical emergency at the jail. He's the third CJC inmate to die in less than 2 months and the 10th in the past 2 years. During Monday's meeting, the board discussed best practices for investigations, labor rights, and laws.
I think that one of the things, Vice Chair, that we should have done in the beginning, in addition to being clear about what oversight means to each of us.
Just about every board member agrees responsive health care at the CJC should be top priority. Mayor Tashara Jones echoed that, saying the city is searching for a new health care provider for the CJC and, quote, I am calling for the creation of new positions in the City of St. Louis Department of Health, including a chief medical officer, specifically to oversee medical operations and services at the jail, end quote. Last month, State Senator Steve Roberts pressed the Missouri Auditor's Office to audit the CJC. Auditor Scott Fitzpatrick told First Alert 4 he's working to get more information to determine the best way to investigate. Meanwhile, the Oversight Board is working to make sense of the ordinance that created the group so they can do their jobs effectively.
The language of being bound by the ordinance to stop us from doing the very important work that we need to do today that might save a life tomorrow.
In St. Louis, Justin Andrews, First Alert 4.
First Alert 4 also reached out to the mayor's office. We asked how soon we could see those new positions and how much it'll cost the city. A spokesperson responded telling us we'll learn more as things here continue to unfold.